In today's video, we'll repair and turn this handbag into a treasured possession. So join me along. This is Reena. Welcome to Crafting Treasures. As usual, I've begun with the cleaning process. Initially, I used a cloth to remove the leather, but switching to a sandpaper made the cleaning a whole lot easier. I brushed off the dust and then removed the handles. I washed and rinsed it really well to get off all the dust and dirt and left it to dry well for 2 whole days before proceeding to the next step. After the bag dried off really well, I stuffed it with some old clothes to give it a good shape. I repurposed a cotton black kurta top with vertical stitches. I measured and cut out 2 large pieces and 2 smaller pieces. On the 2 smaller pieces, I cut out openings for the zip and attached them to the bag using hot glue. I've trimmed off the excess fabric and tucked them into the corners using hot glue. I've then attached the larger fabric pieces to the bag using hot glue. I've made sure to start with the hemmed portion of the top while attaching. I used a sharp blade to cut out the fabric to expose the hardware and used a strip of the cotton fabric to create a border around the hardware. Using another strip of fabric, I created a border around the 2 zip portions on the 2 sides. Using synthetic glue, I attached a strong piece of fabric to the base of the bag and let it dry well. Next, for the handle, I cut out from jute material using a stencil the portions required and using hot glue attached them. Next, to attach the handle to the bag, I've used a large size needle with a huge eye. I've used thread folded 4 times and stitched handle. Next, I repurposed ribbons from an old t-shirt. I cut them to small pieces and sew it on the handle. If you like this video, check out the link you see on the side. See you there. Bye.
Bye.